I got involved in the Rose of Tralee because of the vibrant Irish community in the state of Texas, and it has been such an incredible way to meet so many incredible girls, make so many friends. Everyone in Texas and everyone here in Ireland at the festival have been incredible, and just the networking, the connections, the friendships, and lifelong memories. I would encourage any girl to consider going on this journey and just having the time of their life.
Really, for me, why I've taken part is to get the whole experience of the Rose of Tralee. I've heard from absolutely every single past rose what an amazing experience it is, and now for me to get to experience it this year is amazing. I just want to dive in head first, meet all the girls, deep into all the community, everything down in Tralee, and yeah, just have an amazing experience. I'm absolutely delighted, can't wait.
I would say the reason I applied to participate in the festival, it started because there's a bit of a family background. My aunt was the 1979 Toronto Rose, and I've always known about the Rose of Tralee, but this year I just had this feeling that it very serendipitously kind of came back around to me. And my grandparents were from Ireland, and they have passed away, as has my dad, and I just kept thinking that they would get such a kick out of me doing this, so they were definitely nudging me from heaven to, take a chance and do this, and I'm so glad that I have. It's been a fantastic experience. From the moment I submitted the application, my network of friends and community has expanded, and I think we're only on day 2. I already know that I'll be leaving this with lifelong friends and memories, and I really hope to represent my family, my community, and the Irish diaspora around the world well. And also I think the festival does such a great job of celebrating community, connection, and just bringing joy. And I think in this day and age, everyone is looking for connection, community, and joy, and it seems to span, I know it spans ages, backgrounds, and I'm really delighted to be a part of such a happy, great thing.